Welcome to Finding the Voices. I am Monica Ingadam.
Finding the voices. Finding the voices.
I'm Monica Ingadam from Finding the Voices. Right now I am in Sneha Bhavan in Imphal, Manipur, and with me we have Sister Teresa, who is the director of Sneha Bhavan. Sister, if you can please share a little bit about Sneha Bhavan.
I started actually Sneha Bhavan. I opened Sneha Bhavan
Okay.
in 1994.
94.
Yeah. And it was in a rented building,
Okay.
mainly for the drug addicts and alcoholics women
Okay.
for the treatment. But then afterwards, what happened was, among these women, there were many HIV positive people also were there,
Okay.
addicts.
Okay.
So as such, the family, I think there was so much of discrimination and fear of spreading the virus and so on. So as such, the people were not ready to take them back even after treatment.
Okay.
So then some of them stayed on and even died in the center.
Okay.
Died of this disease, HIV, AIDS. And then after that, when they came to know that we are taking care of this HIV positive infected people, even the widows started to come to Sneha Bhavan.
Okay.
The widows who are infected. And then among them, some of them died. Some of them came and their health they picked up. And they were able to carry on living. So then what I thought was, in order to empower them, I started this vocational training. Like we were giving this, that in tailoring, knitting, embroidery. These trainings were given to them. And then once they finished, they went back to the family and they were able to sustain themselves and live.
Okay.
And like that, the widows also came. Along with the widows and the addicts, children started to come.
I see.
Some pregnant women who came for the treatment and delivered the baby. And so like that, the children also started to be here.
What's your name and what is your age?
My name is Sonia. My age is 14.
14. So how long you have been in Sneha Bhavan?
9 years.
9 years. Okay. So do you remember the first time you came here?
First time, I didn't come here first. We were in 2005. Then we stayed there for 1 year, just learning how. Then after that, we came here in 2006. And there, I was studying in this Eden school, one of the nearby school, till class 2. Then after that, from class 3, I studied in the first school.
Okay. So do you remember like why you came here, how you came here?
First time, how I came here, first time, this sisters, one of my auntie, they just got to store and they just got information. After knowing this, my family background, so my dad, after that, sister, they just called and
Do you mind sharing a little bit about your family background?
my father died in the year 2002 when I was 3 years. After that, my mother just stayed there, and I got 2 brothers, one older and one younger.
Don't be nervous. It's fine.
My mother is here, as most of my father's family, they didn't give the support much. And my mother is alone, and she brought us up. And still now, my brother is still continuing studies, he's in 11th standard. And my other brother's in 6th standard.
You are in 8th standard.
Yes,
Okay. So your father died of what?
He died of jaundice.
Of jaundice. And your mom is still here, right?
Yes.
Where is she?
She's staying at home.
Okay, okay. And so you are here, your brothers are with your mom.
Yes, auntie.
Okay. So how is your stay here? Like you have been staying for 8 years.
Stay here is very nice because means in our studies also this sister they really give us support and means that we don't feel bored and means this is a staying at home here with our parents like that we feel stay here.
Okay, so do you visit your mom?
Yeah. Sometimes she used to come and visit the time of our city sometimes.
Okay, okay. So what do you want to become in life?
My aim is to become a doctor.
You want to become a doctor? Very good. So, what's your hobby? What do you like to do in your free time?
Like reading books kind of.
Reading books. What kind of book do you read?
Like sometimes like magazines about this science law and something.
Science.
And like stories kind of.
Stories. Okay, very good, very good. So how is the food here?
This
So what's your favorite food?
fish.
Fish. I see. So do you miss your family when you stay here?
Sometimes
Do you
I
feel
mean,
homesick?
sometimes, but most of the time I don't feel.
Okay. Because you have been staying here for a long, long time.
Mm.
Okay. Do you want to share anything challenging part of your life? Like about,
Yeah, sometimes means the way means like how my father family acted, I means like it doesn't feel nice to me. The way they didn't give support and whenever my mother was any help kind so like they never accept kind one. I really miss.
You had experience, you remember that.
Miss for me, I have no experience now. But for my brother and son, I have seen one as well. For my brother to continue saying that it's like if I found my mother just told my uncle, my father, and my brother to keep him there, no. But the way my uncle was like acted one, really.
So now, where is your mother? Like in your father's home, or she came back to her home, maternal home?
No, she lives in a maternal house. Like her family, her father, younger sister, her father, younger sister, then she's staying there.
Okay, her father's
Younger sister.
Mapanda. So you don't have any relation with your father's side?
We still have no relation with the sleeping.
They come and visit you?
Visiting means they come.
Oh, no, means they are there, but you don't have any contact.
Sometimes we have contact, sometimes.
Okay, but not very good relation.
Yeah.
Any nang ko pamba small fish or bayang, cano or bayang.
I like small people to help me in order to put support.
Kaya support ay di karamba support what kind of
Because in my
support?
studies,
You are looking for financial support or emotional support?
financial.
Financial support. Iti when you grow up, as in when you do after 10th. Okay. And you want to do medical. And medical is the only option you have.
So that if I don't succeed in medical law, I was thinking to go in this bank one.
In bank line. Okay. So you have, you are thinking of many options. You are not sure yet because you are only in 8th standard. So what's your rank?
I got 4th.
4th rank. Very good. So which is your favorite subject?
Maths and science. 4th.
Maths. Oh, very good. That's very good. 4th rank. That's impressive. So do you go for any tuition or
No, I didn't.
do you find it difficult to cope up with the studies without any tuition or anybody helping you?
Sometimes science might feel a bit tough kind of science.
Okay. But the teachers, like if you need additional help, you can approach them.
Yes, if I go to teachers.
Okay, very good. Thank you for sharing your story.
And that is how we came to this stage now, where we have 50 children, here 46 and other 4 more are outside who we are looking after.
Okay. So now it is only children, or you still have
Women.
women also?
Yeah,
So how
adults.
many women?
Now at present only 10 only.
10. So do you, like, when you take the kids and the women, could they be from anywhere
Anywhere from?
in Manipur?
Yeah, they are all from Manipur.
Yeah, and I think some of the questions that people may have is because it's run by missionaries. Do you take only Christian or
No.
there is no restriction?
No restriction. Even children also we have Hindus, then Baptist, then Catholic, all groups are there.
Okay.
In fact, the one who came first, she's a Hindu.
Okay.
So we don't make any difference between.
Okay.
Yes. And we don't convert them also.
Okay.
Those who are Hindus will remain Hindu.
Right. So there is no religion
No
involved
barrier.
with.
None.
Okay. Okay. Can I hold your hands?
Yes.
Will you be comfortable? Oh, your hands are very cold. What did you do?
I'm about to say.
You're taking bath
Yes, sir.
just now? It's very nice. What's your name?
Anthony.
Anthony. How old are you?
11.
11 years old. Which class are you in?
4.
Class 4.
Yes.
How is your studies going on?
Yes.
You like? Yes? What's your aim in life? You want to become a priest? Really? Only a priest? Okay, tell me about your family. Do you remember? Do you mind sharing? You want to share with us? Okay. You want to tell me?
My mother died in
2010. Your father got married again. After 1 year? After 1 year. And then what happened? So are you the only child?
I'm the smallest one.
You're the smallest. So how many brothers and sisters you have? 5. So what happened to your mom? How do you know how your mom passed away?
I was staying in the
Your father came and told you. Oh, you were in a boarding school. Okay. How old were you when your mother passed away? 8. You are 10 now, right? You are 11. And then after 1 year, your father got married. Then after your father got married, you came here. So your new mother, do you get along? She's good? Yes? So did you feel bad that your father got married again? Yes? You were upset. So did you cry a lot? What about your brother and sister?
When I was studying here with the friend,
And the eldest in your sibling, in your brother and sister, how old is the
eldest one is
So your eldest brother. So your eldest brother got married before your father's second marriage?
no,
After. Okay.
this year.
Oh, just this year. Okay. So do you like this place? Are you eating good food? What's your favorite food? Dal. You don't like fish? No? Where is your original home from? Churachandpur. Do you like Churachandpur or do you like here, Sneha Bhavan? Why? It's nice to stay. You have made friends here. So why do you want to become a priest?
Because I want to help children like me.
You want to help?
I want to help the poor.
You want to help the poor?
I want to help the poor in the family.
What else do you want to do? What is your wish? Tell me a wish you have. Scientist? So if somebody wants to help you, how can they help you? By helping you in your studies? So you really want to study? You want to become a scientist? Thank you. Thank you so much for sharing. Go. And like and Papa. Okay. Good luck. Okay. And so the woman, like who are that addicts, do you give rehabilitation or consultancy? Can you share a little about that?
That we have our staff who are who come and give some input session and like counseling.
Okay.
All these are there. The whole morning program.
Okay.
Then afternoon we give them this training in making flowers.
Okay.
Nowadays mostly we are involved with making flowers.
Okay. And how are these flowers? Like, is that marketed anywhere?
The people come and buy.
Okay.
Yeah. Again, like when there is the festival season, like Christmas and so on, a lot of people come and buy. Or when they have some.
Yeah, and they are beautiful. Last time when I came to visit flower, I got a gift, and it's so beautiful. Right. So how do you manage the funding? Because you have quite a lot of children.
Children, we do not have any fund except some few sponsors are there from abroad. That is just few. And the rest, of course, Little Flower School also help us.
Okay.
I mean, it is mainly run by us. No?
Right.
So I don't have to worry about the fund. Right?
What's your name? Veronica. That's a wonderful name. How old are you?
11 years.
7 years. How long have you been in Sneha Bhavan?
This is who disabled before.
4th year.
Yes.
Where did you come from?
I came from Senapati district, my village.
Senapati district.
Yes.
Do you want to share a little bit about your place, your family?
I have 2 elder sister and 2 younger brothers. My sister when they come towards me here for my study as there was no school in my village.
There's no school in your village?
Yes. And my parents couldn't afford to send me to Belgium as they were simple farmers.
They are farmers?
Yes.
And your parents are right now in Senapati?
No, they are in Dimapur.
Now they are in Dimapur?
Yes.
They are farmers. And what about your other brother and sister?
My 2 brothers were my parents.
So your brother, they have started studying now. But when in Senapati, all of you were not studying?
Yes.
Because there is no school?
Yes.
And if you have to study, you have to go somewhere and stay in a boarding school.
Yes. Then my parents said, yes, we do not have effort to send me to Belgium as they are simple.
They are farmers? What do they farm?
Last time they found maize.
Maize. Potato.
Beans.
Beans. Do you like farming? Did you help your parents?
Yes.
Do you like it? It's a lot of hard work? Is it a lot of hard work?
Yes.
Do you like it?
Sometimes I dislike.
Sometimes you dislike. Do you want to become farmers?
Yeah.
No? What do you want to become in life?
Sister.
You want to become a sister?
Yes.
That's it? No other option? Why do you want to become a sister?
Because I want to tell the everyone for my sister and for the
What do you want to do?
I want to help them, but not help the poor.
You want to open a boarding house for the poor?
Yes.
Where do you want to open a boarding house? You don't know exactly? Why do you think you want to open a boarding house? Is the boarding going to be for the girls or for the boys?
Yes.
Girls?
Yes.
Why no boys? Okay, that's very nice. So, but you want to be a sister and you want to tell me about your hobby. Do you have a hobby? What do you like to do in your free time? What do you enjoy doing? Do you sing?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
You like singing? What kind of songs do you sing?
Yes.
Do you want to sing a song for me? A small verse.
In this world of darkness, we are given light. Full of our dying. How will they know? How will they know that Jesus loved them and He died to save us? Give the light, give the light. Go and tell the gospel that there is no more doubt. In the name of Jesus Christ, there is the light.
Thank you, that's wonderful. It's very good. You have a wonderful voice. Okay, tell me a wish you have. What do you wish for? You want to become a sister?
Yes.
What if how can somebody help you to become a sister?
I study hard
You study hard. Are you sad about anything?
yes,
What are you sad about?
because my younger brothers is more than my parents. Especially my mother always getting sick.
Your mother is always getting sick
Yes,
and your younger brother is staying with them.
yes,
So you miss them?
yes.
You want to be with them or you want them to go to a better place?
I want them to go to better place.
Better. So how are they taking care of themselves? Your father
My father's working in other school.
in others field?
Yes, and my mother, when my father's earning some money now, she'll take and she'll go and buy some vegetables and she'll sell it then.
Oh, she does reselling.
Yes,
Okay. Very hard life. So you have to study very hard and then you can help her.
yes.
What are you happy about? What makes you happy?
I'm happy because studying getting help for my studies. And then,
So you have a good life here.
yes,
You have a nice place to sleep. You have got food, right? And you want the same thing for your brother.
yes.
What's the best thing you like about Sneha Bhavan?
Because in that we have so many things about me how to behave.
How to behave? You're a good girl. Do you like to study?
Yes.
What's your rank in your class?
7th.
You are in seventh rank.
Yes.
You want to become the first ranker?
Yes.
Good. You're having exams now, right?
Yes.
Tomorrow what exam you have?
Next.
Go and study. Good luck. Give me a hug. Thank you for sharing. So what are the needs and challenges in running this place?
I mean, if how long we will go on depending on Little Flower School, that is not easy,
Right.
So I think we should get some fund from state government or central government, especially for the children, because everywhere orphanage is a must. because of this HIV problem. So many orphans are coming up, and instead of sending them to other states and make them, so much publicity is given in the newspaper about child trafficking and so on. Instead of even bringing them and just sending them back home, because why they still are sent? Because nobody to take care, or secondly, no proper education facility, especially in the remote village, there are no proper schools.
Right.
Government schools are not functioning.
One of the girls shared
Yeah.
that there's no school in her village.
Yeah, that is many of the villages, and then again to send them to the town school means boarding, very expensive, and all these are the problem. So I think the government should take up proper school, or even help people who are looking after the orphans to give fund and to sustain it. Otherwise it is very difficult.
What's your name?
Marcelina.
Marcelina? No?
Marcelina.
Marcelina. Am I pronouncing right?
Yes.
Yes? How old are you?
14.
14. Is 14 a good age? So what do you do? Which class do you study?
Last night.
So how long have you been in Sneha Bhavan?
I was born here.
You were born here?
Yes.
Oh, so you have been here for a long time. So do you know about your family? Do you know the story, or do you mind
Not
sharing?
much, but my father died.
Your father died and your mother came here.
Yes, sometimes she used to come here.
So do you want to share how you were born here and how you continued staying here?
My mother, she was a drug addict and she came here.
She was a drug addict,
Means drinking wine.
drinking wine. Okay.
Sometimes she used to drink. That's why she was brought here.
Okay.
And then my mother was pregnant.
Okay.
She gave birth and then she said, now they are looking after me.
Okay. And your father died before you were born?
Yes.
Before you were born. Okay. And your mother, where is she now? Do you meet her? Do you know about her?
Yeah, she used to make flour.
She used to make flour. So are you in touch with her? Not much. But you know her. Means why are you not in touch with her? No, it's fine if you don't want to share.
Sometimes she used to come to meet me.
Sometimes she'll come and meet you. So what do you want to become? You want to become an IAS officer? Yes? So what grade, what class are you in?
9.
Class 9. What's your rank? 3rd. Excellent. So what's your favorite subject?
Maths.
Maths. So what was your score last time in maths?
87.
87.
Yes.
Very good.
Okay.
What's your hobby?
Dancing, singing.
Dancing and singing. What kind of dance do you do?
It's simple as well. Everything is good.
Everything. What kind of songs do you dance to?
Hindi dance, Bollywood dance.
Bollywood kind of dance.
And then sometimes we used to do prayer dance.
Prayer dance also.
English songs, so sometimes we used to do.
So you have grown up here. Do you miss miss growing in a family, or you're happy here?
I'm happy.
You're happy? What's the best part of Sneha Bhavan?
Staying with the friends now, I enjoy it.
You enjoy? You have a lot of friends here? What's your favorite food?
I eat everything.
You eat everything, but you should have a favorite. You must be having a favorite.
Vegetable.
Vegetable? You don't like meat? No fish?
It's difficult to eat.
Really? Okay. So you said you want to become an IAS officer. Why an IAS officer?
Just, I don't know, from small, I wanted to become.
You wanted to become? Yeah, good luck. So what is the wish? Like if I ask you, what do you wish for?
To become nice.
I hope your wish will be fulfilled. Thank you so much for sharing. Give me a hug.
Oh, there are so many children coming, but we cannot accommodate. We have only this much facility only.
Right.
So maximum is 45, 46 only.
So what do you do? Like you are helpless in
Yeah, we have to tell no space.
Okay.
So they may have to wait for next year when some children may leave, like those who pass out metric, they may go. So then in their place we can take it. That much only, limited space.
Right. So Sneha Bhavan looks after everything, the education, fooding,
Yeah, everything we have to
clothes,
say. Yeah,
everything, like once they are
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Okay. So, I mean, I do understand about the funding, but do you, what are the kind of help, like if people are willing to give, like clothes donation or others, of course financial is there, but is there anything specific which
Like
people
this
look for
year,
help?
no, this year we got a lot of help from this business community in Imphal.
Okay.
And in fact they brought like 100 bags of rice they gave. Yeah. And then again like biscuits, sweets, snacks and all they used to provide every now and then.
Okay.
Whenever they have any celebration in the family, like even a birthday celebration in their family, they will say, let's go to Sneha Bhavan and celebrate with our children.
Okay.
So they come with the cakes and other things.
And welcome.
We
such-
welcome.
Okay.
So they celebrate with our children. Our children are also happy
Right.
that way. Many things, even the puja celebration time also. But they say a lot of money is spent in giving the feeding the people who are rich. So instead of feeding the people who are rich, let us feed the poor. That's what these people they were telling.
Okay.
So practically every Sunday, one family or the other would come
Okay.
to celebrate, to give a dinner to the children.
Okay. So that is
Yeah, that was very good.
Yes.
This year we a lot of help.
okay.
Again, we got blankets, quilt, and so on. Like that, we get help now. The people are opening up. We are helping.
What's your name? Can I hold your hand?
Okay.
Peter?
Yes.
How old are you?
11.
11 years. Which school do you study? St. Joseph? What class?
3.
Class 3. What's your rank?
21.
21. What do you want to become?
This.
You want to become a priest? Why a priest?
The sub needy. The sub needy.
To serve the poor and needy? That's what you want to do? How long you have been in Sneha Bhavan?
4.
4 years? Does anyone visit you here? Do you have relatives?
Yes.
Who visits you? Grandmother. So your grandmother comes here and visits you?
Yes.
Does she get some good stuff for you?
Yes.
What does she get?
And biscuits.
Biscuits. What's your favorite biscuit? Tell me.
Good day.
Good day. That's also my favorite. Do you have anything you want to do that you were not able to do? If you wanted some clothes, or you wanted to watch a game, or a movie, or something. You wanted to watch a movie?
Yes.
What kind of movie?
Cartoon.
Cartoon. What cartoon do you like? Do the sisters allow you to watch cartoon?
Yes.
Yes? And that's your favorite part? What do you have a hobby? What do you do in your free time?
Play.
Play? What kind of game do you play?
I don't know the game.
Huh?
I don't know the game.
You don't know the name of the game? Okay, Mete lo na Okay, go again. Come there. Going sana kita harus. Are you happy here?
Yes.
Do you feel sometimes sad? Are you sad about anything? No? Very good. I think you'll make a very good priest. Right? I wish you luck. Give me a hug. You're done. Want to give me a hug? No? That's fine, thank you. Here, particularly being in Manipur with the situation, is there any highlights of challenges you want to mention?
No, those problems we are not facing anything.
Okay, because you are inside.
Yeah, we don't have that kind of problem that, nothing.
Okay. Thank you, sister, so much for sharing.
Mm.
Thank you.